Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Mudini. I am a 6th semester student of the English Language Study Program at IAIN Palangkaraya. And in this video, I will discuss a little about one of the subjects that I must take in this semester, and then namely is English for specific purpose, where I will explain the meaning of the purpose of this learning, and then it is a benefits. And English for specific purpose is an approach in the teaching and then the using English for specific fields and studies that are in the accordance with the needs of the fields of science and then professions that use English. And English for specific purpose should be seen as an approach, concept, and method that is different from the general English. English for specific purpose is an English teaching approach that has different approach and then perceptions, designs, and the material, evaluation, and goals. English for specific purpose materials refers to the needs of students and graduates user themselves. English for the specific purpose is used to prepare students for the use English for the academic and then professional or the works purpose, and program designed based on the analysis of the needs of the field of science and the professions of the English language user. And in this course, I will learn to identify specific objective for the English specific purpose, which have a role in developing the students' competencies when programs and learning material are the design and then developed based on their needs. And then the linguistic scope of English specific purpose is in certain respects different from that of general English. For the example, in aviation. Okay, the use of English is related to aviation issues as well as in the world of health. The use of English is related to health and medicine, and then even though they have similarities in writing and pronunciation, the implementation is different, and this depends on the situation and conditions. English for specific purpose programs and the material are goal-oriented, which are targets to be achieved at each meeting. This goal is understood as a benefit of English in playing its role as a communication tool to convey ideas related to certain contexts. And English for specific purpose programs and material should be designed and then developed so that English for specific purpose plays a role in improving the English language competence of students in groups of individuals studying English specifically. And then the material needs to contain topics and themes so that discussion in the learning process can focus more on the targets to be achieved related than more extensive discussions without the specific targets. That's grades of the English language and literature are also able to master English in other fields of the science, including being rich with the registers. Therefore, English for specific purpose or ESP is very important to learn so that there are no mistakes in communications. And then English for specific purpose has the benefits of making it easier for us to communicate and then more effectively with English in various fields that we are engaged in, for example, in education, in hospitality, and aviation, and then health, and so on. Okay, maybe that all I can explain a little about English for specific purpose. I say thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.